Posting once a day isn't consistency. It's hope disguised as strategy. If you're showing up daily and wondering why nothing's moving, give me the next few minutes and I'll show you why volume beats perfection and the simple shift that makes growth feel predictable instead of personal. Plus, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly how to post like you're testing, not guessing, drop lottery in the comments and I'll send it to you. My name is Alwi Baturilan and I help people move from posting once a day with no traction to consistent growth on Facebook without burning out or trying to make every post perfect. And here's what I've learned. Facebook doesn't care about your effort, it cares about your volume. Now, every video I share is designed to give you something practical you can apply the same day. No fluff, no theory, small steps, but big compounding effects, okay? So here's the real problem. Most people don't quit because they're lazy. They quit because they post what they think is good content and nothing happens. No views, no traction, and nothing moves. So they assume they're bad at this. They assume the algorithm hates them, or they assume they missed the opportunity window. And here's what they usually do next. They try to make every post perfect. They spend an hour crafting one caption. They post less to avoid embarrassment. They wait until they feel more confident before showing up again, okay? And that's exactly why growth slows down, because Facebook distribution isn't linear. It's probabilistic. So one post can outperform 50, and you don't control which one wins. You only control volume and consistency. Let me show you what I mean. So these are some of my beta students' results, as you can see. A lot of them immediately had spikes that 2x to 10x their reach. I had one student who posted once a day for 3 weeks. Good content, thoughtful caption, zero traction. She was almost ready to quit. Then we shifted her to 3 posts a day using simple rotations, same quality, same effort per post, just more volumes. Within 1 week, one of her posts hit 4,200 views. It wasn't better than the others, it just got tested or pushed by Meta, by the algorithm, and it just simply won. That one post brought her 37 new followers and 12 DM conversation, all because she gave Facebook more chances to find her winner. So naturally, the more posts you actually post or schedule, the better it will be. So here's the shift. Step number 1, adopt what I call the lottery ticket rule or mindset. Every post is one ticket. Most are going to be average, but one hit can change the entire month. You don't try to predict which post will win. You simply buy more tickets to increase your chances, okay? And step number 2, you want to rotate between these 3 types of posts, okay? Not random content. There are hook plus value, 100% text posts, or post type number 2, which is hook plus comment letter and CTA, or post type number 3, pretty much everything, almost anything and everything that is image or text post, okay? This is where you will want to bring your own voice and style, but the rotation stays consistent week to week. Eventually, you will identify which format or which post type will work best for you, okay? So you're not reinventing the wheel every day, you're running a system, all right? And step number 3, so important. Step number 3 is essentially to remove the willpower from the equation, right? Schedule your posts. So stop relying on motivation, create volumes at once, let the system do the work, okay? By batching your content, write 5 posts in one setting, 7 posts, whatever works according to your schedule, then you want to schedule them so that you can show out without burning out, okay? For me personally, guys, I batch 50 posts in 60 minutes and schedule them 7 days ahead. This works because it removes emotion from posting. You stop treating performance like your identity and start treating it like a system. When a post flops, it's just data, guys. When a post wins, you study it and you do it again, or you create different versions of it, okay? Think about it. Facebook's algorithm is designed to test content. It shows your post to a small group of people first. If they engage, it shows it to more people. If they don't, they literally don't show it to anyone after that, okay? That's why posting once a day feels like gambling. You're putting all your chips on one test. But when you post 3 times a day, as an example, or more, you're giving the algorithm 3 chances to find your winner. And when it does, your reach and views becomes more predictable. Now remember, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly how to post like you're testing and not guessing so that you can finally see your views grow without burning out or needing a big audience, drop lottery in the comments and I'll gladly send it over. Because once you stop treating posting like a creative challenge and start treating it like a numbers game, everything gets simpler. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.